Hi, this is the apparatus for natural resources water filtration system. First is the sand, next is the small stones, cotton pad, charcoal, and a few bottles. First, we took 3 water bottles and cut it. For safety purposes, please don't use kitchen knife. Use a proper scissor to cut it. And this is the result, the bottle.
To insert about 5 centimeter of the cotton, and next layer is sand for about 6 centimeter, and we put another layer of cotton, and we put 4 centimeter of charcoal and another layer of cotton, and after that we put small pebble stone for about 3.5 centimeter to create our model. Our model for our filtration system, and here is a brief look at it.
Hi, for testing phase of our filtration model, we have choose several samples from different sources. For this example, we want to test filtration compatibility of our model with our sample, which is industrial water that we have been chosen. This sample then be poured into the model and let it run through the filtration process. This will take some time until we can see a slow dripping water droplet, which is indicate the filter sample. The outcome of this process will then be collected at the bottom of the bottle. Then repeat the process for other example and the result have been recorded.